How to unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unsync your Instagram as well as also your Facebook's profile picture, you can go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Come to profile page, tap the three lines option and then go to settings. Then after that you simply want to go to account center. Then you want to make sure to tap on profiles, so tap the profiles option. Now tap on Instagram, or let's say Facebook or Instagram. After that go to profile picture, and then over here whenever you go to this profile picture option, maybe you select your Facebook account, you'll find sync profile info. Make sure to disable this option. If this is enabled, both of your profile pictures are going to get synced, so you want to make sure to disable that, and this way you'll be able to unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.